large that it can sink entire ships. A creature with tentacles that stretch for hundreds of feet and eyes that glow in the dark. This is the Kraken, a legendary sea monster that has been the subject of myths and legends for centuries. Before diving into next part, subscribe if you like. The Kraken is a legendary sea monster of colossal size, said to dwell off the coast of Norway and Greenland. It is often depicted as a cephalopod, such as a giant squid or octopus, but it has also been described as resembling a whale or crab. The Kraken has been the subject of myths and legends for centuries, and it has been featured in numerous works of literature and art, including the novels Moby Dick and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. There have been numerous reportings of sightings over the centuries. In fact, some scientists believe that the Kraken may be based on real-life creatures. In 2013, a Japanese research team captured the first video footage. The squid was filmed in the Pacific Ocean, and it measured an estimated 30 feet in length. This discovery has led some scientists to believe that even larger squids may exist, and that these creatures could be the inspiration of the Kraken myth. There are many reports of Kraken sightings throughout the history. One of the earliest accounts comes from the Icelandic sagas, which date back to the 13th century. These sagas describe the Kraken as a massive sea creature that could attack ships and drag them to the bottom of the ocean. In the 16th century, the Norwegian bishop Olaus Magnus wrote a book about the Kraken in his book Historia de Gentibus. Magnus described the Kraken as a giant sea monster that was so large that it could encircle a large island with its tentacles. In 1886, a group of sailors claimed to have seen the Kraken while sailing off the coast of Norway. They described the creature as being as large as a small island, with tentacles that stretch hundreds of feet in the air. The sailors said that the Kraken attacked their ship, but they were able to escape. This discovery has led some scientists to believe that ever larger squids may exist, and that these creatures could be the inspiration for the Kraken myth. There have been numerous reports of sightings over the centuries. Some scientists believe that the Kraken may be based on real-life creatures, such as the giant squid or colossal squid. However, more research is needed to determine whether or not the Kraken truly exists.